This week on Level Up, we're walking you through the best practices for prompting for Video Agent. Most people prompt Video Agent like a search bar. They type something vague, hit enter, and hope for the best. But the people getting the strongest outputs, they're doing two things differently. Prompting Video Agent comes down to two things: context, what the video is about, and style, what it should look and feel like. Get those right and Video Agent handles the execution. So context is your foundation. Be clear about what the video needs to communicate. Decide whether your script needs an avatar presenting or if the story should be visuals only. That one choice shapes pacing, structure, and flow. The clearer your intent, the stronger the output. Style is a creative constraint. You define the aesthetic system, the Video Agent handles the composition. Describe the theme, call out your colors and typography. You can also add brand systems to your Video Agent, automatically adding your brand colors, fonts, and logos to the video. Explain how the video should feel stylistically. And here's a simple move that instantly improves outputs. Add your hex codes. Now, Video Agent isn't just guessing your design, it's building inside it. Style is where prompting becomes a system. You can describe your own visual direction, theme, colors, typography, motion feel, or you can choose from built-in style templates. Each template shows how the prompt is structured, so you can learn how strong styles are written. And over time, you're not just generating videos, you're building reusable, creative systems. Here's what happens when it all comes together: clear context, defined style, consistent brand logic, same tool, completely different level of output. Prompting is direction. The clearer your context, the stronger your structure will be. And the clearer your style, the stronger your visuals will be. And if anything needs refinement after generation, just take it into AI Studio. That's how you move from rough outputs to intentional video. And that's how you level up.